Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make miso soup from miso paste. First, you'll need to prepare your dashi broth, which is the foundation of any good miso soup. You can use dashi powder for convenience, or make it from scratch using kombu and bonito flakes. This flavorful base sets the stage for a delicious and authentic experience. Once your dashi is ready, it's time to add other ingredients. Start with firmer items such as diced tofu and sliced mushrooms. Let them simmer gently in the broth until they are tender. Remember, the goal is to warm them through and soften them, not to boil them vigorously, especially before the miso is added. The key to perfect miso soup is properly incorporating the miso paste. Never add it directly to the hot pot. Instead, take a small amount of warm dashi and dissolve the miso paste in it using a ladle or a fine mesh strainer. This prevents clumps and ensures a smooth texture. Add this mixture to the soup right before serving after turning off the heat. Your delicious homemade miso soup is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to savor its warmth and fresh flavors. For a traditional touch, garnish with thinly sliced green onions or rehydrated wakame seaweed. Feel free to explore different types of miso paste, like white or red, to discover new flavor profiles and customize your soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.